Hi, Emery here from oksealer.com. Today I'm here to show you our brand new T-Pak 550. This is a unit that has 3 components on it, and it comes on a mobile base, and it plugs in a 110 volt. We use it in the flatbread tortilla industry. What we have here is a Supersealer. This is an SB20 band sealer we have on this unit today. You can also put a hot air sealer. We have our compression belt on this unit to take the air out of the bag for the tortillas and the flatbread. And then we have a flat conveyor in which the product rides on. Again, repeat, this machine comes on a set of wheels, all on one unit. Everything, no cranks, no manual up and down of everything. Everything is with a touch of a button. A touch of a button. We can bring the compression belt up. You can bring the compression belt down. And the same goes for the Supersealer. The touch of a button. The sealer goes up. Sealer goes up or down. No cranks, no anything. The other really neat thing is this unit is all made of stainless steel or aluminum, so you have a totally non-corrosive unit. Plugs in any 110 volt. If you do need 220 volt, we have that available also. Our speeds on a band sealer standard run up to about 50 feet a minute. You can run a little higher because tortillas and flatbreads have a little thinner bag, so we have a little more heat capacity in the band sealer. On your hot air sealer, you can run up to about 100 feet a minute. You also have on this thing the option to put a trimmer. We have 2 models of trimmers. We have flat, straight edge blade trimmers, and we have rotary trimmers. So both of them go in this particular spot, whichever one you choose. We have those 2 options. Also, if you need to code the bag, if you want to put some sort of code on it, then we can do barcodes, we can do a simple straight edge code, whatever you want. We can also incorporate any coder you want because we don't manufacture the coders. So if your company is particular to some manufacturer, we'll be happy to incorporate that with the T-Pak 550. One of the other really neat things we've come up with this year is that we now have 3 drives. You have 3 moving objects here. You have the conveyor belt, you have the compression belt, and you have the sealer. Now, this can only be done with maintenance folks, okay? Nobody else but maintenance folks. Okay, we're gonna show you this now. This is maintenance only, as I told you. We've overridden. Come in here and you override, and we're gonna start it. So we're gonna take our e-stop out. Gonna hit a reset button. Wait a second or so the drives can catch up. And then I'm gonna hit start. Then we're gonna come over here, hit start. Here are our drives that are synced. These are the ones for the 2 conveyors, and there's one in the sealer. So what we're gonna do is walk over to the sealer, because the sealer is the one that's driving these two drives. So the sealer is the brain. So we're gonna come over here to the sealer. Do the override in the sealer. And hit the go button. So what I'm going to do here is show you is that if I turn this to 40, pick a number. Let's go to 40. And we're going to walk back over to the other 2 drives. And voila. They all have 40. So that's really cool. We have all 3 synced together, no fooling around. The turn of a button, the whole line's running the same speed. We also have here a bag top guide and a back guide. And what we use this for is, like, say you have a long product, you have a short product, it gives an operator kind of a trough, okay, in order, or a thick product. So you have a thick product, then you have a thin product. So we give this as another tool for the product to easily feed into the heat sealer, okay? So if you have something that's very thick, you might want to bring it up higher, and then you might want to bring this in the back, this back guide in, and that creates a trough for the operator, and that gives them a loading zone. Okay, so we have our trough here, put the bag down, and we're gonna get a nice same spot every time. We're gonna compress it and seal it. It's on our SB20 band sealer. And you're gonna see the awesome band seal from the Supersealer SB20. And again, you can do a hot air sealer or band sealer, whichever you want. We thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to talking to you soon.